Well, good morning everybody. Jim here with Totally Relaxed. I'm back again with a third video in 3 days. This weather is not going to get me down, I can tell you that right now. What you're looking at right now is my gimbal I bought a while back for my iPhone, because at that time I had an iPhone 6s and those did not have video stabilization built into the phone. But now that I have the iPhone XS, it does have stabilization built into it. But I didn't know it at the time, and I bought this motorized gimbal, and I like it. Don't get me wrong, it's fine, and it comes with a tripod, little tripod that screws in the bottom, you know, for doing whatever you want to do with it. But anyway, this thing has so many controls, and I don't know. I mean, it's all right. I like it, but you can overdo things with it, and I have a tendency to do that quite a bit. So what I opted for was, put that aside, I ordered this from Amazon, and it's from Wasabi Power Company, and all it is just a handheld little gripper, I call it, and I can hook. It's got a GoPro attachment on the end right here, right there. But at the same time, I can also hook my iPhone to it as well. And this way right here, which comes in real handy. That way I use one gimbal stick for either the phone or the GoPro I want to use. And of course it comes with the charging cord. That's that. And it also comes with two extra cords. One is the Type C, and the other one, I'm not sure what that one's for. I think it's for a GoPro, or I mean not a GoPro, but I'm not sure what that one's for. But anyway, it's pretty nice. I mean, it was only like, you know, $24, and that's the name of the company right there. And it has I put a little clutch deal on there, so in case I drop it, it's not going to hit the ground. And being the klutz that I am, that could happen. And I just don't want to see a $400 camera, whether it be the GoPro or the iPhone, get shattered because of my own negligence. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with y'all, and hope everybody's having a good day. It's raining again today, but not near as much as it was yesterday. Oh, by the way, also, this thing right here, the tripod deal I showed you a while ago, it also screws into the bottom of this new gimbal stick I bought. It's pretty cool. It works out real good, don't it? Bing, bada bing, bada bong. Anyway, y'all have a great day. I just want to share that with y'all. I didn't show the unboxing because, you know, I mean, you know, whatever. I mean, that's no big deal to anybody anymore, I don't think. At least it's not to me. You want to see what's in the box. So, at any rate, have a great day. And for all of you folks that are viewing my channel for the first time, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button. And I encourage everybody to share my videos, because I need to get my subscriber count up. It's at a stall right now. Of course, I realize when I go full-time on the road, you know, things are going to change, I'm sure. But I'd like to see it go up a little bit more than where I'm at right now until I get out there on the road. Anyway, have a great day, as I've said about 3 times, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye now.